This might be the craziest social media ChatGPT hack I've ever seen. Watch to the end to see the final result. We'll start by finding a cool YouTube video that's relevant to our social media account. Copy the link, then head to ChatGPT. Enable the plugins, Vox Script, and Photorealistic. I want you to analyze the video on the link below. Then, using the content of the video, I want you to generate 3 engaging social media posts that I can use on both Instagram and Twitter. Each post should contain 1 emoji and 3 hashtags as well as the text for the posts. I want you to use the Photorealistic app to create a mid-journey prompt for an image to accompany each post. Then we paste in the YouTube video link. ChatGPT gets to work using the content of the video to create social media posts for us. Remember, this is going to help us create both the text and the image. We're going to use post number 2 here as an example. Let's start by copying the prompt for mid-journey. This will help us make the image. So now we go over to Mid-Journey and just paste in the prompt that ChatGPT gave us. And just a few moments later, Mid-Journey has given us 4 fantastic options. I like this one the best. I'm going to go ahead and upscale it and save the image to post on Instagram. Now we just copy the relevant text from ChatGPT and we can post this to social media. That image perfectly encapsulates the caption. To get access to our ChatGPT